Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set SMS opt-in at Shopify checkout with Omnisend. Alright, so first up, go ahead and go to your Shopify admin. Now click on settings right here at the bottom left. Now in here, just go ahead over to checkout. Okay. Once done, scroll down. Alright, you'll find marketing options. And in here, just make sure that SMS is enabled and then click on SMS app. Alright, you'll need to install Omnisend SMS app. And here, just go and use the search bar and type down Omnisend. Now in the drop down, you have Omnisend email marketing and SMS. Just click on it. Now just got to click on install. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, click on install. Now scroll down and just log in. And just do make sure that you have the paid version of Omnisend. All right. So as you can see here, when we click on view plans and pricing, for standard, you'll be able to try SMS marketing. Okay. Also, you could get Pro as well. Now, once that's done, everything is connected. Go back to your Shopify settings and don't forget to hit on save. All right. And when you go ahead and click on apps and sales channels, you should be able to see Omnisend right here. And after that, you're good to go. Omnisend right here will automatically handle the opt-ins. And that is once the Shopify feature is enabled and linked. Omnisend will receive the phone number and the opt-in status directly from your Shopify checkout. And the customer subscription status will be correctly updated in your Omnisend's audience as well, right here. All right, and there you have it. That is how you set up SMS opt-ins here at Shopify checkout with Omnisend. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.